Phoenix employees gave their time to residents on this day in a very different way, and it was to help combat COVID.
So this is a program of about $5.4 million. It will help us support our school districts. During COVID, the city reached out to all of our districts and said, how can we help? They came up with great creative suggestions, and we've partnered with them on everything from getting 10,000 laptops and devices into students' hands to the COVID kits that you see behind me. So we have 2 different kits, one for our youngest residents who are part of Head Start, and that includes those small masks that are so hard to find, in addition to wipes that were donated, information about COVID and the test kits, and then those test kits.
The mastermind behind this event, Zack, Wallace.
Due to the City Council and Mayor's leadership, along with City Manager Jeff Barton, they opened it up actually. It was a really innovative approach to how we were going to use the American Rescue Plan dollars that we received from the federal government. They opened it up for ideas for our city staff to think creatively about how we're going to use these one-time resources to really have a beneficial impact to our community. As far as putting this together, again, we got an allocation from the City Council during their strategic planning discussion for the American Rescue Plan. And so with that resources, we're able to determine that we could package these kits that combine a drawstring bag mostly for children, to then include at-home COVID tests, high-quality masks, as well as public health information and hand sanitizing wipes as well.
Patti is with Pendergast School District, and she is grateful for the City of Phoenix partnership.
It is crucially important for our students and our families that they remain safe, healthy at school, on the playground, and at home. These kits will greatly help towards that end. Happy to have this partnership and make sure that our students and families have what they need.
From these boxes to the tables to the actual kits, the City of Phoenix is making a difference for city residents and making sure they're getting the COVID tests they need. Thanks not only to the people behind the scenes, but the volunteers, elected officials, and to residents who will help keep the community staying healthy.
So over the course of 2 days this week, we had over 200 volunteers from city departments across the organization. It was a really exciting event to be able to bring together a lot of different departments and people that haven't seen each other in a long time due to COVID. We haven't had an event like this in a while. But in the end, we're going to be providing 35,000 of these kits to school districts for them to distribute to their students, as well as an additional 35,000 tests. So in total, we're distributing 70,000 at-home tests to our school districts that are participating, as well as 10,000 of these kits to our Head Start families. Again, one of the most vulnerable populations, given that there's no vaccination under the age of 5.
As mayor, it makes me so proud that our city employees have stepped up to create these COVID kits. We are going to be supporting our youngest residents with these kits.
We love volunteering! For Phoenix TV, I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan.